Welcome back to Overheat. Nissan Motorhome for 2026. Exterior design. The 2026 Nissan Motorhome is likely to have a sleek, modern look. The following are some possible design elements: sharp, sleek body lines. This design emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency to reduce wind resistance and increase electric range or fuel efficiency, which is consistent with Nissan's current design philosophy. Advanced LED lighting, headlights, and taillights are likely to use LED technology with a futuristic design and optimal illumination. Updated V-Motion grille. It is anticipated that Nissan's visual identity would be maintained by the V-Motion grille design, which is now more integrated with the front fascia. Windows and apertures with the best possible design. Electric sliding doors, to provide the living area spacious and practical entry. Modern wheels and rims. The size and design of the rims will be customized to fit the characteristics and capabilities of the RV. Features and interior design. The interior of the 2026 Nissan Motorhome is likely to be planned with comfort, usefulness, and effective use of space in mind, considering a motorhome's limited size. Flexible layout, a modular design that allows the room to be altered to accommodate various uses, like a living room, dining area, or bedroom. Superior materials, making use of durable, readily cleaned materials that exude a feeling of coziness and luxury. Comfortable beds, there will likely be a variety of bed options available. Kitchen, a small but functional area with a sink, cabinets for storage, an induction burner, and perhaps a microwave or small oven. LED ambient lighting is a changeable lighting system that may be utilized to create different moods in the cabin. Climate control system, efficient heating and cooling to keep the cabin at a comfortable temperature all year round. Engine, a fuel-efficient gasoline or diesel engine with front, rear, or all-wheel drive. AWD is likely to be utilized if a conventional engine is employed.